All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. Can you guys hear me? Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Brad. Good morning, Gary. James, good morning, sir. Jose, KK Fun, good morning. Mario, welcome back. Muhammad, good to see you in the room. Good morning, Panos. Pat, good morning. Steven, how are you, sir? Good morning. I'm going to be sending you a message later on. So keep an eye on your direct messaging. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Adam. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, that's. I ended up trading that. I was on the phone with Gary, and we just saw a bunch of trades happening while we're talking. Um, when the market starts selling off this way, so I took a bunch of them. And then when the market made, I mean, look at this. And we're going to talk about that fairly quickly here. The market made a captain set up long at 538. I mean, that just could not have been any better, man. That just could not have been any better. I ended up taking a few trades to the upside. Did not take the full move, but I made enough to where my day looked a lot better by the end of the day. I ended up, Josh, good morning. I end up finishing the day at 3 grand, 38.78. Anyway, so that's how we ended up the day yesterday. We were up in the room about 700, almost $800. Anyway, good morning, Josh. Good morning. Good morning, Adam. All right, so what are we looking at here? We are looking at a 200 NT wrinkle and 100 NT wrinkle that is in sync on the short side. Panos, yes. We are meeting today. Radic, good morning, good morning. So what are we looking at here? We're looking at a market that is reversed, a one candle reversal, came and retested overnight to the level of 781, which is harmony zone number 2, and also the 740. And then it's reacting very well to those levels. And you got also Globex that's opened up at 747. So as long as we continue to trade under that level, we can come back to and close at 697, and a close there will get us into a move that could take us to 665. So the structure of the market right now is a short. I'm gonna post an order just to make sure my stuff is working. Okay, so that is an order on the upside here. I'm gonna definitely be patient and wait, and that first half an hour, right? We're going to see what this market is all about. the tendency of the market, especially at the open, is to probably come and touch this level at 747, because that's a balance area right now, and we've seen how the market reacts to Globex. What time, Pat? SNK, good morning. Wow. NQ is weaker than ES. That's what's obvious so far. Huh? We keep getting interrupted. We will be moving away from our existing platform. We're going to move from this web-based Melon to Stream Deck. So hopefully that'll give us a little bit more stability. Thank you, Omer. Here goes the link right here. So now we're in the middle of the range, or very close to it. So the expectation is to see a bit of a punch up. Good morning, Cow Doc. Good morning. Joseph, good morning. So the market is coming to retest Harmony Zone number 1. I mean, we tested it multiple times already. So they're testing this area fairly well right now so far, and we're just paying attention to it. There's nothing to do right now. Yeah, we're hitting Globex right now. And also harmony zone number 2. I mean, they're inching the prices higher. All right, a switch trade right here. They're gonna probably push the price a little bit lower. So we want to see how far they're gonna take it. Hmm. Let's take a quick look at ES. So really, the market right now is still susceptible for sell-off in around 67. 67 and a quarter is Globex, and we're very close to it. So we may come up to it and then get faded. So this market is not out of the woods yet. NQ needs to run up all the way to 773. NQ needs to, I mean, ES needs to close above 73. Right now, we're just patiently waiting. One thing that could happen that could affect the price structure if we can get to 728 and a quarter on NQ, that will put on a captain setup short on the 50 NT wrinkle. Good morning, Omer. How are you? Here we go. So we hit Globex a couple of times. So the market is heading toward that 59.57 on ES. Yeah. God dang it. Yeah, you got that captain setup on that 50 at that 28. And you broke that captain setup long, the double captain setup long that ran us up to Globex. That's interesting to see. So what is the market telling us so far? Short the rallies. The rallies are been fairly weak. Next target is going to be the middle of the range right here at that 73. It's coming up. It's 852. Yeah, Johnny, it's we're having some issues with YouTube right now, and it's not YouTube's fault. It's the streamer software that I have, which I'm about to change it. It's not going to be today, but it's tomorrow. I'm going to change it from Melon app to a different app, Streamlabs. So this way we have a little bit more consistency in the way this is displaying. Yeah, sorry for that. Target is about to be hit here, 72. Shorts are in control. However, you got to be very, very careful where we at right now. Where we at is the middle of the range. There's a captain setup switch trade on the 50 NT Rinco on with a 690. Let's see here. Yeah, this text is not leaving my stream either. Yeah, that captain setup short was great. Good job, Jose. Good job. Yeah, I see that, the 50 NT wrinkle captain. Yeah, you're getting 50 captains on both sides of this market right now. Yeah, we're probably going to be heading toward the 700 710 area. This is an area in the middle of the range where price action can just oscillate back and forth. So I definitely want to give the market a little bit of time before I start jumping in here. So we hit that level and came back to retest the middle of the range. Wow. That's a move. That's a move. So we got to that 705 and he just got faded. Yeah, you have to be very quick. News was bad. Good morning, Raf. How are you? When I say middle of the range in on the 200 NT Rinko. And when I said middle of the range, middle of the range on the declining resistance on the 50 NT Rinko. You could see where that candle is at 700 to 710. I know a lot of you are asking questions. Just if you hold on to these questions for a little bit, and I'm going to answer them as they come, because we got to really focus on this price action. So if I don't answer a question very quickly, just know that I'm literally just my eyes are looking directly at price action and not the chat. But I'll look back into the chat and I'll look at your questions and I'll start answering them. Like right now is the premium time for us to be trading. So 902. I'd rather be short than long, generally speaking here. I mean, we came up to that harmony zone number one to the tick, basically, hit the bottom end and the top end of it and got faded. So I want to kind of look for rallies as a shorting opportunity. All right, guys on YouTube, everybody on YouTube, I'm posting our Zoom link. Because the YouTube streaming software is not acting correctly. So I'm gonna close our YouTube stream and just continue to trade in our private room. So anybody that wants to see what we're doing for the rest of the day, just click on that. It's going to directly take you to our Zoom meeting. All right, we're getting a continuation trade on the short side, and we have 645 as a target.